Welcome back, 8th graders. This week, week 18, we have a few assignments. The first is going to be continuing Edgenuity a little bit. We have a lesson to complete this week and a quiz. That is going to be on the Diary of Anne Frank. What we are going to get graded on this week is the diary lesson and the quiz, live participation, and the movie worksheet that we do in class today, or Wednesday if I have you in period 3. What that means is that we are going to watch a video clip together, and then you are going to complete this very simple worksheet to make sure you're understanding some background information about Anne Frank's life so that we can understand the excerpt of the play that we're going to read. Now, if you're absent, you still need to do this assignment. You'll do that by clicking the movie link here in the document, or I've posted the movie link along with the assignment here in week 18. You'll see both the worksheet and the video link, so there is no excuse not to do this assignment. This is going to be due either today or tomorrow, depending on when I have you in class. We are then going to read the play together in class on Thursday or Friday. However, you do still need to go through the Edgenuity work on your own. I am also going to remind you that the semester ends in 3 weeks' time. That is a permanent grade. And so for those of you who are either missing a lot of work or maybe your grade isn't where you want it to be, this is crunch time for you. I didn't receive any missing work over Christmas break, although I hope that some of you did some. If you have turned in anything late on Edgenuity, please tell me that you've done so by email. Otherwise, I won't know to grade it, and after the semester closes, I can't go back and modify your grade. So if you are missing anything, please make it up. Last, I am going to be in tutoring this week and every week from now on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday mornings. I cannot be, actually I take that back, I won't be on Thursday mornings. I cannot be in tutoring every single day, but an English teacher will be there every single day in one of these sessions. So please be aware that one of us is always there to help you. We are always here to help you by email if you need anything. And we're going to finish out the semester strong so that in second semester we can start with The Giver. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys in class and hearing a little bit about your break. I hope you guys have a really great day. Make sure you get your work done.